Hi, welcome to our new video. Today we want to show you one of the solutions you can try to fix your WhatsApp if you have issues. So we're here, but we're not supposed to be here. Let me show you. Let's talk with google.com. So if you come across a message which says that it gives you a number and says is banned from using WhatsApp, that's the message you get. Then please contact support and all that. What you do, you go to Google and say contact WhatsApp, right? Then you look at this, then you click on the second one. It could take time. Let's see. I don't know if my network connection is fine. Taking time, but I wanted it to go to okay, it's gonna take you here, then you click here, the first one still, so it's gonna give you this. So then in this we have to put your number. So it selected the country, but if it doesn't, you have to put my number is 081. Have to be even sure. I'm gonna be sure. I'm just to getting it. 815222222. Yes, 570. Okay. Okay. After doing that, it will ask you for the email address of which they're gonna contact you on. Let me get the email address. Okay. Copy the email address. Put it here, confirm the email address. Okay, then you say Android. Okay, and put in the message here. Okay, I'm gonna type a very good message. I'm typing it this side. Hi, what's up, team? I cannot access WhatsApp when I try to access it. It says my number is banned. I'm gonna get the number, put it in the message. Okay, please help me. I'm using WhatsApp for business. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna type a very good message. You put it here. You've seen whatever I've done. Okay, I'm gonna type that. I'm gonna give you that message. Okay, because this is my WhatsApp for business. So I said, dear WhatsApp team, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to bring to you attention. Issue is issue I'm currently experiencing with my WhatsApp business account. Okay. Regrettably, I have encountered a situation where I'm unable to access WhatsApp and the business account. Yeah, whenever I attempt to access the application, met with a message stating that the number associated with my account has been banned from WhatsApp, using WhatsApp. Okay, as a dedicated user who relies on WhatsApp for business communication, this suspension has caused a significant disruption to my operation. I kindly request your assistance in resolving this matter, okay, promptly. I'm committed to adhering to WhatsApp terms of service and community guidelines, and I would appreciate any guidance or clarifications regarding to the reason for this suspension. Additionally, I would like to know what steps I can take to have my account reinstated so that it may continue using WhatsApp for my business activities. Your prompt attention to this issue is greatly appreciated, as it directly impacts my ability to maintain effective my ability I skipped that. Okay, I can put here view to take. Okay, that's good, guys. We're done with a very professional message. You can ask a friend or whatever. You might not be as long as I've done, because me, I used whatever to compile this message to be a professional message. After that, you can see all the steps, then you say next. So it's gonna tell you. I'm gonna copy everything. Say next. It doesn't send. Maybe the message is too long, but it should tell me if there are some errors. There's no errors here. Please provide your phone number we use on WhatsApp account. Okay, I think maybe because I put a 0 here, I'm gonna put a 0 away. Say next. The browser doesn't give me a chance, but it's okay. Something wrong with this button. I might as well not be having internet. No, I have internet, so I wonder why it's acting like this. Let me cancel one, come back, try to send. If it doesn't want to send, it's fine. What could be the issue here? But I'm gonna use a different browser, guys, to try and send the same message. Go to Google, contact WhatsApp. Okay, that is sponsored. Okay. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna copy the same message, put it here, use my same number copy this number, put it here, get the email address which I'm gonna get for you, this odd stuff, copy everything, it's giving me trouble, this one. Okay, put it here, put it here. Okay, confirm. Okay, Android. Next step, yes, you need enter less than 30 characters. You need to enter at least less than 30 characters. Yo, oh, okay. Okay, they were complaining it's too, the message is too long. Okay, 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 okay. I'm gonna delete all of this. I think I wrote a lot of things. Okay, then I put here number and say okay, let me try to send. Yes, I did send. Did your article answer question about WhatsApp directory, how to delete phone number? Okay, after sending that message, you wait up until 24 hours, then you reinstall your WhatsApp. It should work. So now they receive the message. So you can also read on this, on this, and this, and this, and this. Send question. Okay, your question has been sent. You get me? So remember what we sent. Thank you for contacting. We'll be back to you by email. You can see what we clicked now. We went and it says thanks for contacting us, we will get back to you by email. It makes up to 3 business days. You see, I said 24 hours, but anyway, they might respond to you in 24 hours, sometimes in after 3 days to 4 days, right? Yeah guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.